The MEF eAccess has been a solid platform that enables service providers to offer these services to newer territories in a much quicker way, because they have now a common basis with which they can work with one another and offer these services to the market. So all this is very exciting because it's bringing together all of this in a way that really enables good growth and good potential for the industry as a whole. Verix is a test and measurement solution provider, and we've been the first in the industry to offer automated conformance test suites in accordance to the MEF Carrier Ethernet 2.0. And this is something that both equipment vendors and service providers have found valuable in preparing as well as ensuring CE 2.0 conformance for their offerings. Also, more recently, Verix introduced the SAMTest service activation troubleshooting platform. It's an automated way that relies on the MEF Carrier Ethernet 2.0 methodologies to ensure that the service activation, performance monitoring, troubleshooting are all in accordance to the MEF CE 2.0 requirements. And this provides a standard way to ensure the service level agreements that the circuits are continuing to have. It ensures much better return on investment in a faster time, because it drastically cuts down the time and effort it takes to turn up circuits. In eAccess scenario, when a service provider is talking to a partner, SAMTest provides an easy and standard way based on MEF CE 2.0 to ensure that the circuits that are being turned on are in keeping with the MEF requirements. Also, in the case of the service providers who are gone for the MEF CE 2.0 certification, even after certification, there are times when there could be changes in the configuration or equipment that are part of this network. And so SAMTest ensures that the service level agreements are continuing to meet the requirements that have been set, and so continuing to ensure ultimately that the customer satisfaction is up to the mark. Wholesale eAccess will continue to be an area where we'll see further improvements, both in terms of better connectivity as well as manageability. With service providers getting into the cloud and data center offerings, there will be a much greater need for standardization in this area to ensure that there's much better connectivity, agility, as well as reliability in offering these services. So basically, service providers are also now in the position of being both cloud carriers and cloud service providers. MEF is defining service activation and latching loopback. So these would help a big way to enable the service activation and troubleshooting. In addition, MEF is defining the VNID as a mechanism in the situation of wholesale eAccess, so that carriers and operators can quickly come to a common platform to offer services to customers. In the cloud area, MEF and the Cloud Ethernet Forum are working together to ensure that services are rolled out with better reliability and in an agile fashion. So I think there would be innovations and definitions in this area. Today we have cloud services which are like islands, and so having a common service that spans across these various clouds in a standardized way and offering them would be important. Verix recently has joined the Cloud Ethernet Forum, and where it is also participating in defining the reference architecture as well as the key attributes that would be required in ensuring better rollout of services in a standardized way. Participating in MEF Gen 14, it's truly exciting for us because it brings all these various technologies, Carrier Ethernet, cloud, SDN, NFV, all of it in a common platform. And so I think there'll be great opportunities for us, and we look forward to that. The SAMTest offering, which we plan to showcase there in terms of the troubleshooting and the activation, that would be very key for us to really get the message out there. In terms of performance monitoring of cloud services, again, SAMTest would be the solution that we would showcase. Verix is also taking leadership in the SDN benchmarking arena, where the solution based on SDN, the IETF draft that we have recently given out, so that is something that we would do as well. So all in all, we look forward to this event.